This conference will now be recorded.
Perfect. Last class, we were talking about batch apex, right? We started with a concept called as batch apex. What is the batch apex? What is the batch apex? Tell me, what is the batch apex? Asynchronous processes for handling bulk data. Whenever you want to handle a bulk data, we use batch apex. What we use? Batch apex. Batch apex has three methods, right? What is that? Start method, execute method, finish method. Batch apex should implement database.batchable context. It should use database.batchable. Database.batchable has three methods. It's an interface you have to implement, right? The work of start method is to the work of start method is to what? To collect the data, divide into batches, and hand it over to the method execute, right? How many batches can be created per day? 250,000 batches for 24 hours. One batch should consist of how many records? 200 records. Total number of records can be processed how many? 5 crores. How many batches at how many batch can be processed at given second time at a once given instance? 5. Total number of 5 batches can be processed parallelly. That means batch apex is a 5-lane road. It's a 5-lane road. At a time, 5 trucks can run together. Each truck can carry only 200 data, not more than that. This is what we have seen in the batch apex. Where all the informations are stored in which table? Apex async job table. The table is called as Apex async job. Whether you like, you don't like, you have to use this structure. Start method, execute method, finish method. Finish you can leave blank, but you have to use the finish method. Last class we have used email inside that to send an email, success or failure email, right? Execute method, you can write rocket there. It will launch a rocket. Mostly we write for what? We write it for any type of data processing. We write for data processing, right? I was writing an update program. I was writing a delete program, like any type of bulk update, bulk delete, bulk, right? Insert. We use what? Batch apex. Batch apex is meant only for bulk data processing. They are not meant for logic processing. Ardhamautunda, right? You want to calculate monthly pension of Donald Trump after his retirement. Let's assume that calculation of pension is daily basis. Whatever Donald Trump has worked for 5 years, every day's work is taken, then counted, and based on that, his monthly pension is declared. Now, Donald Trump has worked for 5 years as a president. That means 365 days into 5, almost about 1500 or 1600 rough days. Yes, everyday basis you have to calculate pension. So very complex calculation. We don't use batch apex for such things. Batch apex are not used for processing of logics. They are used for processing of data. Whenever you are performing database operations, data related operations, then we use batch apex. Ardhamainda, right? Perfect. Now put a heading called as schedule apex today. Right heading or put a heading called as apex scheduler. Schedule apex. Apex scheduler. Schedule apex. Apex scheduler. Right? Apex scheduler. Write down. To schedule or schedule, whatever you call it. To schedule an apex class. To schedule an apex class for a future to schedule a Apex class, to schedule an Apex class for a future run, for a future run at a regular intervals, for a future run at a regular interval, for a future run at a regular interval is called schedule apex, is called schedule apex, right? So what is a schedule apex? Whenever you want to run a program, an apex program, you want to run in the future, not today. I want that this program to be executed on 31st December. When you execute that program, an email will go. When you execute that program, a locket will be launched. When you execute that program, a person will be dancing. Not today. Don't run the program now. Run the program on 31st of December 2019. 2019. Can I do that? Yes. That is called as schedule apex. Anything that you want to run for the future, not today, not now, future, we call them as schedule apex. Write down the points. Number one, schedule apex must implement, schedule apex must implement schedulable interface. Schedule apex must implement schedulable interface. Schedule apex must implement schedulable interface. Next, schedulable interface must implement, schedulable interface must use method execute. Schedulable interface must use method execute. Next point. The implemented method or the class, must be declared as a global or public. The implemented method or the class must be declared as a global or public. Must be declared as global or public. Must be declared as a global or public. Next. For declaring date function, cron expressions are used. For declaring date function, cron, C-R-O-N. For declaring date function, cron expressions are used. C-R-O-N, cron. Right? Cron expressions are used. Right? Now, write down cron expressions. Put a heading called as cron expression. Cron expression. Right? String function. Put a heading called as cron expression. String function to declare complex date. String expression to declare complex date is called cron expression. String function to declare complex date is called cron expression. Right? Now, let me show you. Notepad. Right. What is a cron expression? Let's understand. Whenever you want to have a complex date, we use a cron expression. Right? In cron, we use two types of special symbols. Number one, question mark. Whenever you don't know means question mark. Star stand for recursion or interval. recursive. Star stand for recursion. How does the con expression looks? First watch. Seconds, minutes, hour, date, week. Let me check it. No, date, month, week, year. This is the way the con expression looks. This is the way the con expression will look. It's a string. Remember that. This is the way a cron expression look. Cron expression. Ila kanpadtadi. Right? Now let's write a cron expression. First watch. Number one. Write a cron expression to run Apex program for write a cron expression to run Apex program every Thursday of July in 2056. Iroj Gadu, 2056, another 30-40 years from now, another 30 to 20, another 30, another 37 years from now, not every day, in the month of July, every Thursday. It should run for Thursday, every Thursday of July 2056. I want to run a program. How will you? At 10 p.m. What time? At 10 p.m. So now I'm writing the con expression. How will it look? Keep watching. At what time you want to run? 00 seconds. 00 seconds. Minute. 00 minute. 22 hours. Right? Now, next. Date. Do you know the date? We don't know the date. Question mark. I told you, whenever you don't know, question mark. You don't know a month? Yes. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, 7. Which year? Weekdays. Now week. Which weekdays? You can say THU or you can say 05. Week start from Sunday. Sunday 1, Monday 2, Wednesday, Tuesday 3, Wednesday 4, Thursday 5, Friday 6, Saturday 7, again Sunday 1. Sunday is 1. When I said I want, right? Sunday 1, Monday 2, Tuesday 3, Wednesday 4, Thursday 5, 5. 2056. This is the cron expression. This is the cron expressions. Ardhamautunda? First basic. This is not the correct one. Don't worry, I'll correct now things. Once again, I'm writing. Right? 02. Write a con expression to run Apex program, right? Apex program, right? Apex program every Thursday of every month. Monthly once, Thursday, right? Every Thursday of every month, right? In the year at night 1 a.m. for 2075. In the year 2075, I want to run a program, right? Every Thursday, right? For whole year, whatever is Thursday, right? So in a month, there can be 4 Thursday, there will be 5 Thursday, it will run. Every Thursday it will run. Right? How to write the con expression? 00 minute, 00 seconds, 00 minute, 01 hour. Right? Date, we don't know. Month, star, because every month star, next week 05, which year 2075 over. This is the cron expression. This is the cron expression. Ardhamautunda? Yes. Write a program, write a cron expression to run, right? Every day, every year. Write a program to run an Apex class every day at 12:59 a.m. continuously. Then how will you write? 00 seconds, 59 minutes, 12 hours, every day, star. Every day, every month, star. Which weekday? Question mark. Or I can give star also, I don't know. Right? Which year? Star. Star means every year. From now, system will run for 100 years. Rupam, can I say happy birthday email? Can I send happy birthday email after 100 years? Yes. Salesforce accept up to 105 years from now. What is today's date? Today's year 2021. You can schedule up to 2121. You can schedule up to 2121. By the time you will not be there, I will not be there. But that time the email will go. So before you do this, tell your children that 2021 you will receive a mail, happy birthday ani. Adi nenu pampichanu. I'm not joking, you can do that. I'll do it in the class.
Sir, it's AM now. Is it 12:59 or only 15?
12:59 is AM, right? Oh, 12:59 means 00. Sorry, 00:59. Right? You have to use this. Understood now? Right? Once again, I'm writing one more. Write a con expression to send, right, email on 25th of every month. 25th of every month at morning 8 a.m. So how will you write? 00 second, 00 minute, right? 08 a.m. date 25th, month, every month. I don't know which day will it fall, whether it's a Thursday, Friday, Monday, I don't know the day. If I don't know the day, question mark. Every month, andike, right? Am I diverting? Month, week. Which year? If you say every year, put star. So 8 o'clock, 25th of every month, every year, for the next 105 years, every month 25th, this program will be run. This is called as cron expression. Ardhamainda? Yes, everyone? How to write a cron expression? Now let us go ahead and write a schedule apex. Right? Wait, close it. Right. Rupam @of117.com, password CRM1234 hash. Oh, CRM12345 hash. Perfect. I'm logging to Salesforce. Right? Put a heading called as schedule apex structure. Schedule apex structure. Schedule apex structure. Right? Let me write. What happened? Why it's taking so much time? Wait. Let it come. Why it's taking so much time today? Enter. Perfect. Now I click on my name, developer console. right? Today looks to be very slow. Speed test. Online guys, can you hear me? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
I see that it is too slow. Okay. Developer console, full screen, right? File, close all, right? New Apex class, CL underscore 1312 underscore example1 underscore schedule Apex, right? Now, public class name implements. What is that? schedulable, schedulable. What do you have to do? Public class implement schedulable. Immediately you'll get an error. What is the method must? Execute. Only one method. So I will write public void execute. And inside this, as you have written batchable context, here you have to write schedulable context. schedulable, schedulable, context. You can give any name. A, B, C, CT. I will say CT. Control S. Schedulable spelling is wrong. schedule. Right now? Still right. Schedulable context. Write down. This is the structure of schedule Apex. Copy the structure. This is a structure. This is the structure of schedule Apex. 1 minute. বলো। রাত হয়ে এসেছি। ক্লাসে আছে। আচ্ছা। Schedule Apex, right? This is a structure. Clear? Now, what am I going to do? We are going to schedule an happy birthday email for tomorrow, not today, tomorrow, right? So what I will do, I will call the email class. This is the structure of schedule Apex. Whatever you write inside this will be scheduled for the future. How to schedule, we'll see later. As of now, if you remember, I have class, right? Again and again. What was that? Star, email, email, again and again. I told you I'll be using this class left and right. What I want to do? Class send email again and again. EM equals to new class. EM dot, what is that? To address. To address equals to, what is this? Right? RUPM Rupam dot sfdc111@gmail.com. Right? Next, EM dot subject. EM dot subject equals to HAPPY, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Right? Next, EM dot I will say body, mbody is equals to HAPP, happy birthday to you. Right? Next, EM dot send email. Perfect. Right? Control S. I'm saving it. Done. A simple email
Rupam,
program. Yes.
I have a question. Like I have been seeing this the class we are using it from the single message mass emailing everywhere. We are taking the class directly here. Why we are not using that virtual or implements or those keywords? Like why
I
we are
don't
not
want to
taking
call
it
it.
as an inheritance?
I don't see. I want to call it. I'm not see. I don't want to make it as a father, grandfather, right? It is not mandate that, right? That you have to connect inheritance, then only you can get it. I'm calling this class directly inside it. Without inheritance also I can call it. Inheritance is required when you want to connect 3-4 classes together, and finally the last class want to get everything from the top. For example, Visualforce page, you can connect only one controller, one class. I have 20 classes to be connected to Visualforce page. Then what will I do? Right?
Okay.
Then I will go by inheritance, where the last class will be connected to the previous will be connected to the 19th, 19 will be connected to the 18, 18 will be connected to the 17, 17 to 16, 16 to 15, 15 to 14, 14 to 13, 13
Okay.
to 11, 10,
If
like
the
this up to 1.
class is public, we can call it anywhere to use
You can call it
those
anywhere.
methods,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Rupam, thank you.
Right? You can call it anywhere and you can use it. So there we
Okay,
go. Right?
thank you.
So I don't need an inheritance. This is an individual class. Anybody can call it. Page can call, a class can call, right? Outside integration can call, anyone can call a class. Class can be called by anyone, right? Class can be called by anyone. If one person can call another person, you don't need to have a relationship that he should be my uncle, then only I should be able to call him. No, anybody can call anybody. But again, within the people, there is a relationship. My dad, my mom, like this. Same thing. It is not must that if you're trying to take a help from someone, he has to be a relative. You can take a help from a road guy also, if he's willing to help. Something like this. Here, I don't need a relationship. I don't need inheritance property. I don't need oops. Without inheritance property also, I can call. See, I created a class and I'm passing the variable and I'm calling the method. I'm executing the class actually. What I'm doing, I'm not calling, I'm executing the class. ఒక క్లాస్ ని ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాలంటే ఈ మెథడ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాలంటే I've inside the method, these are the variables. So I'm assigning the variables. And those variables are inside where? Inside the class. That is the reason I'm initializing the class. I'm initializing the class, then I'm passing the class variable, and then I'm calling the method. Got it? Now, Control S. Done. Debug. Keep watching. Right? How to execute a schedule apex. Class name, schedule apex equals to new class. See, everywhere I'm initializing. Right? Now, string CRNEXP, string CRN con expression. When do you want? Tell me. We want to schedule for 31st December. I will write one more, don't worry. So at 11:59, this email to go. Then why happy birthday? Happy New Year. Happy New Year 2022. Hope this year will bring bring happiness and prosperity. Prosperity. What is that? Prosperity. Okay. Control S. Done. Now I want to send it on when? 31st. 59 second. 59 minute. 23 hours. Date 31st. Month 12. Week. Do you know? I don't need to go and check the calendar. So put a question mark. I don't know. Which year? Con expression is over. Con expression is over. Now, how to execute? System dot schedule. System dot schedule. Job name. Give a name to it. New Year email. New Year wish. New Year wishes. You can give a space also. What is that? Where is the con expression? The CR and EXP. What is the schedulable? SA. SA. See, label, con expression, and the initialized class. SA is what? Is the initialized of this class. Instance of this class. An instance of the class, SA. On that I gave what? Con expression. I gave a name. I say execute. Done. Scheduled. Where can I see the schedule? Now let us go and check the schedule. I switch to Lightning. Now let's go ahead and see the schedule. I switch the Lightning. It's taking time, so I have to wait. No other option. Check your internet connection. Let's see the speed. Speed bound kada? Then something problem with Salesforce then. Enter. Okay, perfect. Now, where can I see? Scroll down to environment, jobs, schedule jobs. There you can see the schedule. See, it will come there. New Year wishes. Submitted on 12/12 today. When should it run? See, it should run on 31st/12/2021 at 11:59 p.m. Did it start? No, there is no start date. See, my job comes here. Ardhamavutunda? Able to understand? I want to delete some data. I want to delete some data on 4th of April, or every month I want to delete the data. Every month, 25th, I want to delete the data. Every month, 25th, I want to delete the data. Next year, then what will you do? You write a schedule apex. Once again, let's do this. Once a schedule is created, you can't make a change. See, now I come here, my cursor is clicking here. One space, okay, space. Now if I say Control S, it will give an error. See, error. What is error? There's a job in the future. Once a schedule apex is scheduled, you can't change the class because from this class it has to run from when? 31st. So you can't make a change till the classes. You can make a change only if you delete the schedule. Come here, delete. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes, delete. Schedule got deleted. Now you can make a change. Control S. Saving, 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 saved. See, once a schedule is running, you cannot see. Once again, I'm scheduling. Run. Right now, I will schedule from where? 21, 21. 100 years from now. I will say 100 years from now. Execute. Right? Job name already exists. So, Happy New Year wishes 21, 21. Execute. Now go ahead and check. Schedule job. See, when this will run? When this will run? 100 years from now it will run. Not today. 100 years from now, 21, 21. When you will not be there, I will not be there. That time, Happy New Year email will go. To whom? To my email address. Rupam.sfdc111, an email will be sent. This program will be executed when? 100 years from now, this program will be executed. If I execute now, one email will go. Class name dot method name, if I execute, one email will go immediately, but not now. I want to execute in after 100 years. Able to understand? Once again, I'm writing one more for you. Keep watching. New Apex class. CL underscore 1312 underscore example 2 underscore schedule Apex 2. Right? What do you want to do? I want to delete applicant data every 21st. Every month 21st I want to delete. Every month 30th I want to delete. How to do that? Implements. 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 Implement schedulable. Whenever you say implement schedulable, one method is must. What is that? Public void execute. Inside the method, you have to say schedulable context. Anything you can give. Control S, error gone. Control S, all the errors gone. What do you want to do? Right? List of applicant underscore C. AP is equals to select ID, comma name from applicant underscore C. Pulled. Now you want to do? You want to update or delete? You want to update or you want to delete? What do you want me to do? Delete. So delete is simple. DELETE, delete AP. Or I can directly delete like this. When this delete should happen? Not today. Every month 14, it has to be deleted. Every month 14. That means first delete will happen tomorrow. No. Every month 13, it has to be deleted because in US it's still 14. Every month 13 at 11:59, or 11:50 it has to be deleted. Control S. 5. Debug. Now see. Class name AA equals to new class. String CR con expression equals to, you can give any name, 00 minute, 00 seconds, 00 minute, 23 hours, 23 hours, 50 minutes will take. Which date? 13. Which month? 12. Which week? Question mark. I don't know. Right? Which year? 2021. I want every month. Every month 13. Every month 13. System will delete every applicants. All the applicants will be deleted. Every month 13, all the applicants will be deleted. That is what I am trying to do. Ardhamautunda? See, I created a con expression. Now I will go ahead and I will say system dot schedule. Now let me take it. System dot schedule. Job name. Give anything. Delete APPLICNT applicant every month 13th. Every month 13th. Core expression CR. Schedule latex A over execute. Done. Now you see your date will come. I refresh this. That also job also will come here. And we'll see the date. See, delete applicant 13th every month. Next run, when? 13th. What is the time now? In US, it's still 12th. Shit, we should have made it. US, what is the time in US now? 12, 7:58 p.m.
11
It is not yet
o'clock.
13 there. 7 o'clock. It's 7 p.m. in the evening in US. Then this will run when? Tomorrow. I should have made not 13th. I should have made it 12th. So let's do it. Delete. I can delete the job. Come here. I will say 12th of every month. Every month 12th. I will say 12th. 12th of every month. Execute. Now come and see the schedule. Now come and see the schedule. This has been scheduled. Now it's 7:30 or something. 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30. In 4 hours, automatically, all the applicants will be deleted. They will be in the recycle. See, what is the time? 8 o'clock, almost. When I told to delete? 11:50 p.m. 8, 9, 10, 11. 3 hours, 50 minutes from now, it will be deleted. Tomorrow morning when I come, I shouldn't be able to see applicants. Right? App launcher. I don't know why Salesforce is so slow. App launcher. It's not coming up.
Sir, can
Right?
I see the logs also, sir, for these jobs?
What are the things got deleted? Here only.
Yes, sir. Like deleted or any success or error thing, something
No.
like that. Okay.
The reason is that you have to write. Whether you are launching a rocket, whether you are deleting a data, whether you are dancing, how does the Salesforce will do? The work of Schedule Apex is to run the logic, whether it's a deletion logic, whether it's a rocket launching logic, whether it's a processing logic, whether it's a sending email logic, whether the email was sent or not. How do, no, it will not do that. You have to create a table to register the log, right? For example, after deletion, what I want to do, right? Somebody said, right? Every time the same thing. Okay, now I'm deleting it again. Tell me whether it deleted or not, what will you do? Somebody
Try
said,
catch.
where, okay, try catch, right? Where will you log this?
Or maybe before deleting, we need to store that data in some object.
Where? Some object. That means you have to create a table.
Okay.
You want a log, whatever the, then you have to store the data somewhere. You have to create what? For example, I want to store in case. So what I will do? Pull the data. Control X. Try. Catch. EXEPT, I have an exception E. Try to what? Delete. If delete is done, then case CS equals to new case. Now you should not ask these questions, guys. You have to build by yourself. Where should I log? Salesforce says, why are you asking me? Where should you log? That you should know where should you log, right? Case equals to new case. CS dot subject equals to successfully deleted. APPLIC applicant data SUCC SSF VULNY successfully deleted. Next, CS dot description equals to all data. All the data was deleted by SketchUp. Right? Catch. Right? Sorry. Insert. CS. Huh? Not mandatory. Case origin is mandatory. It takes automatically. You hit save, it will take it. Right? Let's see. Right? Next, same thing I'll do. Catch equals to new case. Right? Application data deletion failed. That, right? Data deletion failed. Failed by SketchUp with the following error. Plus E dot get message or data failed, data deletion failed. That's it. Control S over. Salesforce will not log anything. You have to log. How does the Salesforce know what you're trying to do, what you're not trying to do? You're sending an email. Email went or not? That you have to put in try catch. Try. Send this email. Failed. Email sending failed. Email sending was success. You have to create a table, separate object, custom object to log this. Currently, I don't have a time to create. That's the reason I'm dumping where? In case. Ardhamautunda everyone? Yes or no? Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, this will delete all. Suppose out of 5, 1 got deleted, another didn't got deleted. Then which record didn't got deleted? How will you know? Ardhamautunda leda? I want to delete account. In the account, there are 100 accounts are there. Out of that, 98 deleted, 2 didn't get deleted. How will you know which one didn't got deleted? What will you do then? What will you do then? Ardhamavutunda what I am trying to speak?
Yes.
Here, then you will do what? Here AP, I am deleting whole AP. If you want to track one by one, then you have to write a loop.
Loop.
Come on, Control X.
Yeah, for applicant C.
For, wait. For, not delete AP. For applicant,
Each
each applicant is to AP. One applicant will come. I will say what? Delete EA. One by one I'm deleting. First one deleted. Do you want to create a case? No. For deletion, I don't want to create a case. If there are 1,000, then 1,000 case will be created. Applicant 1 deleted, applicant 2 deleted, applicant 3 deleted, applicant 4 deleted, applicant 5 deleted. No, I don't want. Only when the deletion failed. Right? Here, inside this, I will write a try catch. Then I will write again a try catch inside this. Try what? Delete AP. Delete each applicant. Try to delete each applicant. If it fails to delete, catch. If it fails to delete, EXEPTI or exception E fails to delete. What's the problem here? Huh? Control S. Right? See, try catch. Wait. Let it saved. Catch. What you're doing here? One by one applicant you're deleting. From the AP is a list of applicant, 100 applicants. From there you pulled one, you deleted one. Suppose the delete failed, then I will create a case. Applicant plus EA.ID plus applicant 00052 deletion failed. Applicant EA.ID, ID will be printed. Edi delete kaledo, that ID. You want to know the name also? Plus oka space plus EA.name. EA.name plus like this will come. Subject applicant ID. Applicant ID 003256 space Ravi Kumar deletion failed. Right, this is the subject line. This is the description. Insert. See, record level now I'm taking. If there are 10 lakh records, right, one record I'm pulling and I'm deleting one by one. Suppose one failed, immediately catch will catch it and it will log a case. 20 failed, 20 cases will be there. And it will give you the IDs also. Which one failed? In case like Ardhamavutunda. Now these all questions you should do by yourself. My work is only to tell you this. Inside logic, you have to write. Now see, we are double secure. What is that? First, try is in the top level. Suppose this whole fails, then it will catch by what? Catch. I will say application deletion completely failed. Suppose not a single got deleted. Completely failed. Because try undi. Try is at the outer. Again, one by one you're pulling and you're trying one by one. Suppose this one by one fails. This is one by one. This is inside that try. Inside try you have again a try, you see. This is try catch. So if this you'll try to do, if this whole fails, that means because here you are deleting one by one. If one by one this whole fails, say try to delete one by one. If one by one also fails, then applicant data deletion completely failed. Ante okkadi kuda delete kaaledu. Right? Able to understand? Yes or no? This you have to log these guys. There is nothing called Salesforce logging now. How does the Salesforce know which one you want to log, which one you don't want to log? I want to log success. I want to log failure. I want both. I want one. I want only failure. I want only success. I want success plus failure. I want overall. I want record level. No. I don't want record level. I want full left top level. So these are the custom requirements. Salesforce will not log anything going forward. It is you who have to log it. Right? Got it now? Yes or no? Which data failed to delete in where? We did this in batch apex. It's the same thing you have to do in batch apex also. Inside the method execute, you have to write a try catch, delete. You want to log, there are 10 lakh data. I'm deleting 10 lakh. System is giving at a top level, 20 batches, 5 errors. But which are those 5 it is not giving? That you have to log like this somewhere in some table. And system will log it in that and keep it in that table. Custom table. In real time, we call those table as UDT, user defined tables, user defined log tables. UDLT we call it. UDLT, user defined log tables. All deletion, one table will done. Ardhamautunda? Yes or no? Right? Whatever you write inside this is completely your game, guys. Whatever you write inside this is completely your game. Control X. Going forward, inside this, you know how to write the program. The whole game is not inside the, I'm not here to teach logic now. Logics now you should build by yourself. Try catch, for, loop, one by one, insert in a account table, insert in a case table. The main is this structure. Inside this, you can send an email. Inside this, I can update a field. Inside this, I can delete a data. Inside this, I can delete a data and log it in another table. Right? Finally, what we are scheduling? We are scheduling this execute method. Inside this, we have this much big. Say. Clear now? What is the schedule apex? How to schedule it? Right? This is how you schedule. People who are taking the pictures can take it. Schedule apex. Schedule apex. Clear everyone? Need doubt? Yes,
Instead of writing it like the calling the class like this in the execute mode, is there any way that we can call this like
Which
execute
one?
this?
I didn't got it.
Like, so generally we write Visual Force space like that, right?
I didn't know. Okay, Josna, open your brain, guys. Everyone, please. That's not Josna.
Yeah,
Everyone.
I understood. Like we cannot schedule it. I mean, we don't need to schedule it from the Visual Force.
Wait. Just now, wait. Can't take any interface for this. ఇలానే ఎందుకు schedule చేస్తున్నాం? Close it. For this class, keep watching. Now I will schedule it from Visual Force page. Class, I'll create a class. What is that? CL underscore 13 12. Keep waiting, watching. Underscore example 2 underscore schedule is schedule from VF. Schedule from VF. ఒక schedule చేయాలంటే ఏమేం కావాలి? Tell me what are the things you need to schedule. First one, ఒక schedule apex కావాలి. If schedule apex. Next you need what? A common expression. Then I need a button execute. Ante kada? Can't I do it with Visualforce now? Go ahead. Right? I'm keeping it as it like this. Idi itlane pedutunnanu and I'm writing. Public PUBLIC, public string, right? CRNEXE, get set, GET, get, SET, get set, get, SET, get set, right? Perfect. Public PUBLIC, public void MASTARU, master rule, please come, right? So whenever I call master, Chiranjeevi will come. So I'm calling Chiranjeevi. Inside Chiranjeevi, control A, control C, can't I paste it here? String CR equals to what? Delete whatever you pass here. Con expression. That CR I am selling. Okay, title. Public. You want to give a title? Title also will take. Public. TITL. Title. Public title. Here, whatever you give the title. Title comma CR. CR ekkundi? It's coming from con expression. Right? Actually, I don't need this also. Delete. Direct CRM. Over. Ante, what's the problem? Control S. Now this I will connect to the Visualforce page. This time I will not execute from here. File, new, Visualforce page. VF underscore 1312 underscore example2 underscore SCHEDUL is schedule APX apex VF. Controller. Apex page controller equals to this class. Apex form. Apex page block. Apex page block section. Right, title, you give now. I'm not going and giving title and wasting time. Right, apex INPUT input text label, enter the con expression. EXPRESSION, enter the con expression. Take it. Next, apex
Rupam. Can anyone hear him?
He's having
No.
some
No.
technical
Okay.
issues. Unable to.
No.
Wait, it will come. Yes, online guys, you should be able to hear me back. Enter title.
Yes, Rupam.
Thank you. Now command button. Apex COMMAND command button. Command button. Value. Schedule. Information. CRNEXE. value. Whatever you enter here.
Rupam, we cannot
Over,
hear
guys.
you again.
Over.
It's breaking. Okay.
Now I
Rupam, we cannot hear your voice.
right. You should be able to hear me online, guys. Control S.
Yes. Yes, Rupam.
See, I'm saving it. Because of the internet disconnection, it might take little time. Any error? No error. It's still saving. See, I can call a class from anywhere. You just need to know how to call it. And we have been writing this again every time.
No, Rupam, why I asked is like I thought cron expression, I thought we'll be selecting it from a calendar or something, so I don't know how to do that. That's why I just asked.
Yes, chalo Jyotsna, you do it now. Right? Take 3 days time. The cron expression should be from a calendar. See, why not? First of all, why calendar? Why not calendar?
Because it is in a date format, right? I'm not sure how to write it if it is in a text box. Like if it is in a input text, I'm not sure if we write the same way whether it will take or not. That's why I just asked.
First of all, date data type is there, no? Why do you need a cron expression then?
Okay.
Why do you need a cron? Date is there, no? There is a data type called as date. Date data type will take only one date. 31st January only it will take. I want every 31st. Can you do with a date calendar?
No, Rupam, yeah, I got it.
Specific date. I want to run every 4th Friday. Then can you do it from a calendar? I
No,
cannot take date variable because date will take one specific date, but cron expression is a reoccurring every month, 4th Saturday, 5th Saturday, right? I told you, no, this will create a problem now. File, new, Visual Force page, SCHAPX, because, right, control V, control S. This will still saving because of the internet connection. This will save fast, right? This will not save. Otherwise, I have to close everything and have to save. Whole developer console I have to save. Because of the internet connection lost, it's still saving. Saving. Unless save, I can't click on preview. Close. Setup developer console. Right. Close all. File, new, Visual Force page, SCAPX, CAPEX. Already there. See. Next. SCHAPX. I'm creating a Visual Force page. File, new, Visual Force page. SCHAPX. Control A, delete, Control V, Control S. Saved. Whenever you see saving is taking time, close the Visual Force, close everything and do like this. Otherwise, it will still show saving. Now you see, wait, enter the cron expression. How I have to enter? Which week? Question mark. Which year? 2090. In 2090, every month, 12th of every month, I want to run this. I will say what? Calling it. What I'm doing? Nothing. Same thing what was doing in the right. Same thing what I was doing in the developer console, execute anonymous. Now I'm passing the value from where? From a Visualforce page. Schedule. Right? Schedule. Now I go ahead and check. Internet is giving so much problem. Schedule jobs. Right? See, did it came? From where did it came? You see, 12th every month, 2090. When I scheduled it, see, 2090. Another how many years? 70 years from now, I've scheduled. From where did I schedule this one? From a Visualforce page. See, con expression. Passed from a Visualforce page. Outside Facebook, class can receive the data from anywhere, right? You just need to pass the data to the class method and call the method. Done. $2100. Connection going right. I click on save. Go ahead and come and check. One more job will be scheduled. 2100 job. See, 2100 job. Run 12 every month on 2100. 79 years from today. See, 12 a.m. On 1/12. They gave a date. What is the date they gave it? Star I gave. Recursive victim, you can give, put a star there. What do you want to do? The internet is breaking very badly. You have to remember the structure. What is the structure? Class name, implement, schedulable. Public void execute. In the bracket, schedulable context. Whatever you write inside the bracket, that will get executed. You have to give a cron expression. To execute, system dot, what is that? Schedule. System dot schedule. 3 parameters. First one name, second one cron, third one instance of the class. That's it. Whether that comes from a Visualforce page, whether that comes from a class, it doesn't care. Clear? Perfect. Right? That's it for today. We'll stop here. We'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow we will see Qubel as well as future. Both we'll see and we'll complete, and then day after tomorrow we will start your triggers, your trigger concept. Right? On notepad. Sure. Take it. Right? That's it. Thank you guys. Have a nice and wonderful day. Let's meet tomorrow at the same time. All right, guys. Take care.